Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a focus template. Set tempo between 160 and 220, enable snap to 1/16, and load your guitar amp sim plus drum sampler. Once done, make a dedicated mixer track for rhythm guitar, another for bass, and a drum bus. You do this so routing and processing stay consistent as you build. Make sure to choose high-gain presets for heavy tone and a tight, sampled kick. That combination gives immediate punch while you lay down the first riffs. Next, record your rhythm parts in short, repeatable loops and comp the best takes. Light quantization keeps tightness without sounding robotic. Once you have die bass recorded, use an amp/cab sim and subtractive EQ to carve space beneath guitars. Program drums with varying velocities and ghost hits so grooves breathe, and add consistent double bass patterns for energy. As you arrange, duplicate riff blocks for verse/chorus structure. Then introduce lead or harmony layers to create build and finish by balancing levels and applying processing. Send guitars to a parallel compression bus for weight, use low cut at 4060 Hz on everything but bass, and insert stereo widening sparingly. On the master chain, gentle multiband compression, then a limiter with 1 to 3 decibels of gain reduction prevents crushing dynamics. If things sound thin or muddy, check phase alignment between die and amp tracks and collapse to mono briefly. Correcting phase often solves lost low end and punch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.